Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Ford Everest Trend, stock reference number 4143. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. Unfortunately, not much has survived the accident on the exterior of the vehicle. It has a tow bar, factory fitted, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, and module. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive Everest type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor. We have rear headrests and seats, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.